If you've been trying to manage your money better lately, there's a very high chance you've heard about the EveryDollar app, especially if you follow Dave Ramsey online, because honestly, EveryDollar became one of the most popular budgeting apps for people trying to save money, pay off debt, and finally control their spending. But is this app actually worth using in 2026, or is it just another overhyped budgeting tool? So in this video, we're talking about the real truth behind EveryDollar, the pros and cons, and whether this is actually the budgeting app you need right now. First, what is EveryDollar? EveryDollar is a budgeting app created by Ramsey Solutions, and the app is based on something called zero-based budgeting, which basically means every dollar you earn gets assigned a purpose like rent, food, savings, or debt payments. And honestly, this system can work really well for people who constantly wonder where their money disappears every month. Now let's talk about the biggest thing people like, simplicity, because honestly, EveryDollar is much easier to use than many advanced budgeting apps. The layout feels simple and beginner-friendly. And that's one reason so many people starting their financial journey choose it, especially users who feel overwhelmed by complicated finance apps. Now, another thing, people like the free version, because yes, you can use EveryDollar for free, but there's a catch. You'll need to enter transactions manually. And honestly, some people don't mind that, because manually tracking spending can actually make you more aware of your habits. Now let's talk about the premium version, because this is where things become more controversial. The paid plan adds automatic bank syncing, expense tracking, and advanced budgeting features. And honestly, automatic syncing is probably the main reason people upgrade, because manually adding transactions every day gets annoying fast. Now let's talk about the biggest criticism. The price. A lot of users online feel the premium version is expensive compared to other budgeting apps, especially because some competitors offer similar features for less money. Now, another complaint: bank syncing issues. Some users report slow syncing, duplicate transactions, or connection problems with certain banks. And honestly, that can become frustrating very quickly for a budgeting app. Now, another important thing, EveryDollar is heavily connected to Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy. So if you already like his budgeting and debt payoff methods, you'll probably enjoy the app much more. But if you prefer more flexible financial strategies, the app may honestly feel a little restrictive. Now let's talk about who this app is best for, because honestly, EveryDollar works best for beginners, people trying to pay off debt, and users wanting a simple budgeting system, especially people who struggle with overspending. Now let's be honest for a second. EveryDollar is probably not the most advanced budgeting app available in 2026, but honestly, that simplicity is exactly why many people love it, because complicated systems usually fail when people stop using them, and EveryDollar focuses heavily on building consistent financial habits. So to wrap this up, EveryDollar can absolutely be a useful budgeting app, especially for people wanting simple budgeting, better spending control, and debt payoff tracking. But honestly, you should understand that many of the best features require the paid version, and depending on your needs, some users may eventually want more advanced tools later on. Still, for beginners trying to finally organize their money, EveryDollar can honestly be a very solid place to start.